Hello students, today I will discuss some formulas of cubes because in class 9 we have seen that in the chapter of expansion there is so many the students are facing so many problems, okay, because they either they have forgotten the formula or they did not understand in the previous classes. So we'll discuss this one, a plus b. Before seeing the video you should see the video of squares, formula of squares, okay. So a plus b whole cube, that means a plus b into a plus b into a plus b, 3 times it should be multiplied and it will come a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. It will come like this way. So this is the formula of a plus b whole cube. It can be also written as a cube plus b cube. These cubes are coming together and from these and these we take common 3ab, we are getting a plus b. Okay, you can use these two formula. These are all using for the evaluations. Suppose a plus b is given, ab is given, you have to find a cube plus b cube, or a minus or a plus b whole cube given, a plus or ab given, you have to find some other things. So in this way you just put the formula. So a cube plus b cube plus, like look, suppose a plus b plus c equal to 0. So if you go from this you can get a formula. Look, a plus b equal to minus c. This is very helpful formula. So we are cubing both sides, we are getting a plus b whole cube equal to minus c whole cube. That means this is a cube plus b cube. We are using this formula, a cube plus b cube, right? Plus 3ab into a plus b, that is minus c cube. That means a cube plus b cube plus 3ab. What is a plus b? Minus c, equal to minus c cube. That means a cube plus b cube plus c cube. It will come here and it goes in this direction and it will give the result a cube plus b cube plus c cube. That is, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, we can say a cube plus b cube plus c cube equal to 3abc. So these are the formula of a plus b whole cube. From these also we can get another formula. From these also we can get another formula that is used in factorization method. I will show from this only because it will help you. This is formula 1, this is formula 2. Now a plus b whole cube can be written as, this is a cube. Acha, if I say what is the formula of a cube plus b cube, like a square plus b square we have done in the other video. So from this you can find the value of a cube plus b cube. You can find the value of a cube plus b cube just shifting it. A plus b whole cube, you have to find this one. So you shift this portion in this direction or in this side. It will come 3ab into a plus b equal to a cube plus b cube. So a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b equal to a cube plus b cube. Okay. Now we can get another one formula. Look, a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into a plus b, right? This is also used in evaluation or for finding the value. But also if we take common a plus b, what we are getting, this is a plus b whole square minus 3ab, because this a plus b I have taken common. So if there is no a plus b, it will get only 3ab. And this is a plus b, taking common we get a plus b whole square. That means a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b, here a square plus b square plus 2ab minus 3ab. So look, a cube plus b cube can be written as a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab, or it can be written as, I think you cannot see the board. No, it's okay. I am writing here a cube plus b cube. If anyone doesn't see, I just hear what I am telling you. A cube plus b cube equal to a plus b. This can be written as a square minus ab plus b cube, because that is given in the book in this form. So look, from this formula we can get so many things. This one we can get, this one we can get, this one we can get. Okay. Same thing will go for a minus b whole cube. For a minus b whole cube, it will come a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So this, it will come a cube minus b cube, because I am writing there. Achha, a plus b whole cube formula, in some books it is written as a cube minus 3a square b. A whole cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, right? And in case of a minus b whole cube, we can write a cube, just 1 plus 1 minus. Sorry. All are plus. In a plus b whole cube, all are plus. In case of minus, 1 plus minus plus minus. That is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Alternative position plus and minus. Okay. Now, so this can be written as like this way. So a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube. This is minus, this is plus. So we take common minus 3ab. So it is coming a minus b, right? A minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So a minus b whole cube, and this thing will come here plus 3ab into a minus b equal to a cube minus b cube. Here it is coming, another formula, right? Look, a minus b whole cube equal to this one. So we are taking a cube minus b cube. From these two expressions, we are taking common minus 3ab. We get a minus b, because if we take minus, the sign will be opposite. For minus it is plus, for plus it is minus. So a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b can be written as a cube minus b cube. Okay. So this is the formula of a cube minus b cube, right? Now, and from this formula we can also find some other things. How do I find other things? Okay, I can show you from here, but I think there will be some problem. I will do it again. Okay. Now look. So a minus b whole cube formula, this one a cube minus the formula of a cube minus b cube. That means we can write a cube minus b cube. What is the formula of a minus b cube? A minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. This is very confusing. Just to remember, I am telling you, for a cube minus b cube, minus plus minus. Write the order, minus plus minus. Start with minus, end with minus, middle is plus. Okay, so a cube minus b cube. Now these can be written as like this. So if you take a minus b common, we are getting a minus b whole square plus 3ab, as we have done already in case of a cube plus b cube. So we get a cube minus b cube. This is a minus b. This is a square minus 2ab plus b square, because this is the formula of a minus b whole square plus 3ab. So we are getting a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square, and b square we are writing, and this is plus ab. Why? Minus 2ab and plus 3ab gives plus 3ab. So we are getting a cube minus b cube equal to, I think you cannot see the board properly. Is it? Yes. A cube minus b cube equal to a minus b into a square plus b, a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula of a cube minus b cube. Okay. In case of a plus b plus c whole cube, you can also use that formula. So a plus b, this is the first one, this is the second one, right? So this is a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Now you go for this one, a plus b whole cube formula, a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. This is 3c into a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is 3c square into a plus b plus c cube. Now a cube plus b cube plus c cube you write. then 3a square b plus 3ab square plus 3a square c plus 6abc plus 3b square c, right? Plus 3ac square plus 3bc square. Okay, now you can arrange the number. In this way you can find also a plus b plus c whole cube. There is no formula. You just whatever you have learnt in case of a plus b whole cube, you just apply this one. If there is a plus b plus c plus d, suppose also it is d is also there, plus d, then what will you do? Just do in this way, c plus d, right? This is first and this is second. Go for this formula. Okay, so before ending the video, I want to say something. I have already uploaded expansion 1 for class 9, but I think before seeing the video of expansion 1, you should watch these two videos, that is formula of square and formula of cube, how it comes. Okay, in case of square I have left one formula, a square minus b square ka formula. That is, what is that? A plus b into a minus b. That is sum of these two number into product into difference of two this number is a square minus b square. Just multiply, you will get this one. So before seeing the video of expansion 1 and expansion 2, expansion 2 I have not uploaded still now. So before seeing the expansion, you should watch this video at least 2 to 3 times, and then you can understand that video, because in that portion I have already discussed some numericals on that chapter which often comes in the exams. But it's not that only that will come in the exam. There are some typical sums I have already discussed. So go for these two videos, for video number, that is formula on squares and formula on cubes, algebra. These two videos you watch, then you go to expansion 1 and expansion 2. I think that will make you clear everything. Okay, and so I am ending the video today. Thank you, and thank you for watching. If you like the video, share the video. Okay, share to your friends and others. Okay, thank you.